virgin melted coconut oil. Whee! It's a lot of honey. Too much sugar. Who cares? I lost count. Yeah, that's like enough. And then this time I'm gonna put hazelnuts and about that much. And then pepitas, because I always put pepitas. Like about that much. This time I'm gonna put dried apricots. Now these ones are not pretty because they don't have added preservatives. Organic apricots are brown and ugly. Literally, you can use regular scissors. Why it's a little difficult to use regular scissors though is because then they get all sticky. So I put about that much of the dried apricots. And I'm doing a lot of apricots now because they're really high in bioavailable iron. And I'm kind of low in iron. Of course, pink Himalayan sea salt this time. My honey and I have been running a lot. I'm adding like almost chia seeds to everything. So your granola can be based on your activities, right? Are you low in iron? Add apricots. Do you need more energy? Add chia seeds. Mix it all up again. And when the honey's kind of at the bottom, and you want all of it coated really well. Now this one looks pretty, the hazelnuts. And then the trick to the best granola is to make sure you spread it out evenly and you don't fucking burn it. Hello! Oh, this granola looks really good. Even. You really want it even. 8 to 12 minutes. No playing. I bet. Wait. Oh, and look. Timer. We'll do 10 minutes. Ta-da! Ah! Not burnt, bitches. Time it. Oh, that's good.